Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create disgust from inside out on Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the accessories adjustments as usual. For the hair, I use this hair in Only Bangs in this color. 108810, and then I used the same color for this one. For the adjustments, position the Y at 0.59, Z 0.58, and scaled it to 0.33. I forgot to mention I did use adjustments on this one, Y at 0.54, Z 0.45 for the position, and scaled it down to 0.38. Then I also used this hair in that same color. For the long lashes, we're going to get this one in the 7th toggle. I just colored it a little bit more bright, like a little bit brighter, so you guys can see the lashes. Position the Y at 0.49, Z 0.54, and scaled it to 0.66. For the outfit, I'm just going to get this top, color it this color, 4B7861 in glitter. And then this in the 2nd toggle, I'm going to color it this, but a little bit darker in like silk. And then for the skirt, I did use VIP, but you can replace it with something else. I used this one in the 3rd toggle in that same color in glitter. I know her outfit isn't like glitter, but I'm just going to put that. Oh my gosh, I forgot the like little scarf. We'll do that later. Add the shoes and color it this color. Then for the like little, is it like a scarf? I'm actually not sure. But I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to make it smaller, and I am going to like rotate it sideways, and I'm just going to make it like even smaller here, and I'm just going to make it like that, and I'm just going to color it this color, maybe a little bit brighter, and I'm just going to add like a light silk to it. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!